Hi, I'm Sid with Ogden Clinic, here today with Dr. Brian Powell, orthopedic surgeon, who's also ankle and foot specialist, who's going to talk to us about ankle arthritis.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think a lot of people don't know that this is a big problem, and this is one of the models of a total ankle replacement. And what can happen in people is, especially after a severe trauma, they can develop arthritis, particularly at the ankle joint. And over time, that becomes a problem as we get older with a lot of pain. Now there's been some more recent developments where you can actually do a total ankle replacement. This is what one looks like. You know, there's a couple of different ones out on the market, and we normally go over that, but it's really for pain, especially when people are having it in the ankle related to arthritis. You know, and it's very similar to, people know about hip replacements and knee replacements. We do the exact same thing in ankles as well.
So if a young person would injure themselves playing basketball or something, they're then really susceptible to this?
It does make them
Trauma?
more susceptible to it if they had trauma, yes. And the bigger the trauma, the more severe it is, especially when you have, you know, some bad accidents on the road with a car, or if you have any other kind of problems that are really severe traumas that can predispose you to arthritis.
Wow, great. For more information on Dr. Powell, visit us at ogdenclinic.com.